back to my channel. My name's Emily Nicole, if you guys are new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back. I have little Tukey here. He's not wanting to cuddle whatsoever, but okay, his tail just got in my lips. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. It's almost 1 p.m. so I'm gonna have to get back to work soon. It's 12:55 right now and I'm just on my lunch break. I filmed like my outfit already today and creating a cute little montage of my morning, but yeah, I just wanted to hop on. If you guys are new here and you like my kind of content, please feel free to like and subscribe. Just click the red subscribe button down below, give it a big thumbs up, and also follow me on my social media. It's just at Emily Nicole 97. And what else do I have to update you guys on? I mean, that's really it. Today is just a normal work day, but it's a Monday, so just wanted to take it kind of ease into the week. That's what I like to do. I like to get a lot of like little things done so that I build up momentum when I have to accomplish like bigger things throughout the week. So that's what I'm doing. That's how I spend a good portion of my morning. And also I've been having some people like come and go and like selling things like old clothes and stuff on Marketplace. So that's what I've been doing. So I sold some things on Marketplace today, and what else? Yeah, just like film my outfit. And later today after work, I do want to get my nails done. I don't know if you guys can see these. They're like chipping really bad. So yeah, I go to this place off of Plainfield. If you guys are in the Grand Rapids area, super normal nail salon, but the guy was super nice to me, and like we were talking and I got to like, he was telling me about his sons and everything. He was like, yeah, my son went to the University of Michigan. I was like, no way, I went there. So I just decided to keep my outfit pretty casual and comfy. So my hair, I tried to curl it, but my hair is so fine right now that I just kind of did the ends and like straightened it with a curling iron. I know that sounds like super weird, but yeah, that's what I basically did. I just like flipped the ends a little bit, and I recently washed it today and like combed it out and put this stuff in it, so my hair is pretty tame. Sometimes it does have like a lot of natural wave to it underneath, but if I like brush it a certain way and use certain products, it can look very straight. So yeah, anyways, that's what I did for my hair. And then for my makeup, I just did like this very casual look. I just used the Honey palette by Urban Decay, which I have a makeup tutorial on my channel. Like my makeup really doesn't change that much, so that all stayed the same basically. And that was filmed actually back in the spring. So yeah, don't really do much adventurous, I guess, looks with my makeup. I just like a warm tone, like orangey tones, gold tones on my lid because I have blue eyes and I feel like it makes them pop. And then I will say that the chapstick I'm wearing, I might get questions on, and that is like the coconut like mini Vaseline one. For some reason I just feel like it literally makes my lips so glossy and like shiny, and I don't know, with the fall time it's good to stay moisturized. And then as usual, I never change up my jewelry. This ring is from Amazon, and then this one is from Nordstrom. And then I guess I do like swap out different earrings sometimes, but yeah, I don't know. I just have like a little set. You can find these at like Target or whatever. So then for the outfit, I'm wearing this hog shirt. I honestly could not tell you where Mitch got this, but I was like, bring over a white, like a big white t-shirt and like a flannel. I'm just wearing this like oversized flannel. It's just super warm and cozy for the fall time. And then this giant white t-shirt, which you can leave undone or you can kind of like tuck it in. I've been tucking it in. And then these black biker shorts are from Brandy, Melville. They were super cheap. I think I got them in store in Boston, but I'm sure you can find like black biker shorts. You could probably find these even on Amazon. Nasty Gal. Literally everyone and their mother is making these kind of shorts. But yeah, that's my look. Yeah, I'm not wearing shoes right now because I am just like at home working. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So I just got done with work and I figured I would just like touch up my hair. I put some like loose waves in it with my crimper, and I literally have not used this in a minute, so I thought I would just show you guys. I put like this little bun in the back of my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, crimp my hair, touch up a few things. I put some sweats on. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just wanted to get more cozy because I'm getting my nails done. Hey guys, so I just got done getting my nails done. I got this dark purple color. In some lighting it almost looks black, which I kind of like. It reminds me of Linkin Park After Dark by OPI, if you guys remember back in the old YouTube days when everyone was obsessed with like that one mint color by Essie, Linkin Park After Dark by OPI, and like a few others. But yeah, anyways, I like literally just got in my car, and there's actually a market that's decently close like to this nail salon because I'm on Plainfield right now, and it's called Kingma's. If you know the area, I'm still like getting used to the area of Grand Rapids, but it's just like kind of a high-end market inside. But on their Instagram they actually had like pictures of hay, and like I don't know if they have pumpkins, but I definitely saw that they had hay. So I kind of want to check that out, and if it's not too expensive, I might pick some up to decorate my porch. I know that Mitch and I like wanted to decorate together, but I might just buy it now, and maybe, we'll see. I don't know if he'll partake in that. We'll definitely be carving pumpkins this year, and my brother wants to do that as well. But yeah, so got the nails done, gonna head to the market, and then when I get home I just want to pick up a few things and just get settled for the night. I don't know if I'll have energy to like do yoga or anything like that before bed, but I should probably go for a walk and then pick up some stuff. But it's only 6:30, so I think I'll have time, and plus I want to get back at a decent time because there was a girl who's going to pick up some UGG boots that I was selling on Marketplace. I don't know, it's like my new thing. I'm loving Marketplace. So anyways, yeah, so gonna go to the market, probably go home, go for a walk outside, and then just pick up some things before it gets too dark, and then I'm going to wrap up the vlog. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a ton of laundry. I have some like cans and lotion that needs to be put away. I just have like a cup over here. I just want to do a quick cleanup, and I need to do my bedroom, my bathroom, my kitchen, and my living room before I go to bed. I just realized as I was editing this video that I never really filmed a formal outro. It was like a weeknight, so I don't know, I just picked up the rest of my things in the living room and basically just got ready for bed. But I did just want to hop on really quick and say, if you guys enjoyed this kind of content, this like motivational, productive, get my life together kind of vlog style, please feel free to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And if you guys want more of these kind of vlogs or just vlogs in general, please feel free to leave comments down below and what you guys want to see next. And I guess we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys!